Alright, this is a video of Tim's QuadraFire TASSB-93V.12A Pellet Stove Controller. Tim sent this to me because he said it had completely died. So I've got it connected now to my test fixture, and I have a simulated temperature of 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 46 Fahrenheit. So I'm about to turn it on, and when I turn it on, we'll see that the igniter, the combustion fan, and the auger motor all come on. So there it is, they're all on. And I'm at 46 degrees, and you'll notice that the little green light, little red light are not on. If I ramp that up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, as we can see here, the little green light came on. If I go down, off, on, off, and still my igniter, the combustion fan, and the auger motor are still running. You notice that the auger motor is on full time, it's not cycling. As I raise the temperature up to 1,000 degrees, we'll see the red light come on, and when the red light comes on, it'll switch the igniter off and it'll keep the auger on, and we'll actually hear it click. So I'm at 500 degrees now, ramping up, 7, 8, 9, 70. As I approach 1,000, let's keep, there we go. We turned off the igniter, so we're saving energy that way, and the fire is going. We're at 1,000 degrees, but still the auger is on full time. It's just not cycling off. And you'll notice that I have a little red light on along with my green light. So if I go below 1,000, the red light goes off. 1,000, off, on, off. All right, so it's working in that sense, but it's my opinion that the auger motor should be cycling on and off, and it's not doing that. And certainly, I think the igniter is not behaving the way it should as well, but it will eventually go off on its own.